be all and roses. By the way, go sub to Exira. Let me show you her channel. Not this. What's up? What? Meh! It's Exira. Go sub now. You can see her intro. She makes too many intros. Hold on. What? Grandchild. 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 No. Roses! How dare you? Help! Help! Hold on, we're missing the video. We're missing the video! We're supposed to see this. Help me, YouTube! Idiots! JK. I'm joking. Why are you sitting down in a house? What the hell, Exo? Oh my gosh, she made it. When will you do a face reveal? Or Q&A? No reply. What the hell's going on? Go on, hack it. Ooh! Ooh. Okay. Smart? Smart? Do you see that? Do you flip and see that? Sorry. Do you see that? She's crawling so she don't get hit. That is insane. Oh my god, she's so smart. Am I right? She's so smart. Exira, you're so smart. Okay, this is boring. Okay, this is boring. Accelerate. Accelerate. Ooh. Da, da, da. Weird. What? Flippin' load already. Do your intro. Whatever. It has to be this intro. Hey guys. I'm laughing too much, aren't I? You're fine. I wanted to do block spin. You! Here comes the mother load. Ah! I'm scared to do it. I almost chopped my fingers off. Yeah, I'm gonna take off the merch. Say bye bye to merch. And look at her! Oh my god, her legs are so. La la la. Okay, I'm just whatever. I guess welcome back. Why won't you use proper chat? And you have too much food. I'm on the guitar! Oh! My finger. Mukbang ASMR of my cousin. Bye! Oh my god, that should be me. A channel trip. Weird. Let's see what you did. Building things. I keep chopping my finger. Building tips first. 75 Robux? There were some hopefully game passes to help you build. 1. Everyone's placing. Yeah, don't curse us. She's 500k, no fair. 505k. I don't need it. I already have that. Nice house you got. It looks weird. This intro makes it laggy. Or is it this stapler? I can do this more. I know how to do that. I know how to do that. I learned it by YouTube, not you, sad. Okay, what the? Oh yeah! That's how you get out of your videos, crap. I can stop doing it, It's too funny. It's too funny. Control X Shift. What? Let me write this down. Search. I'm gonna try this out. Okay guys, I'm gonna end off the video here. I couldn't find Xyro. Sad. And anyway, I'm with my mate. I'll go really. Well, she's my wife. Aya. Ah! So yeah, I'm gonna end it off there. Oh my god. I have a 99 car. Yeah, I don't really care. I can work tomorrow. Yeah, so see you guys. See you guys in the next one. What the? See you in the next one. Stop fighting bugs. See you in the next